Welcome to today's class, which deals about data science, which comprises both artificial intelligence and machine learning. Data, which is nothing but information of our people, of our society, which is in the hands of corporates or any other organization. And they say that data is wealth. The more data you have about something, the more information, the more wealth you have. So the data economy means data economy refers to how much data has grown over the past few years and how much more it can grow in the coming years. You can see that from past decade it has grown exponentially, and the organizations using our data. Emergence of artificial intelligence. Yeah, so this data is available for the corporates, but at what cost? It is all mixed up. It all, it's in like in a garbage. So this artificial intelligence segregates the information of each and every particular individual, places it in its suitable position. So this helps the organization for the better this helps the organization to approach towards the data and provide its users more effectively services. And definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence refers to intelligence displayed by machine which both portrays human and animal intelligence. As you can see, we the humans are training the machine what abilities, what capability of thinking we or animal possess. Next, artificial intelligence in practice. Artificial intelligence is redefining industry, and also it's a technological uh, revolution, I can say, because there was a time of software revolution, and now it is an data science revolution, because we can see artificial intelligence in car and Siri iPhone, which uses chatbot, and also the car which uses automatic car driving, which comprises of billions of codes, and the Siri iPhone, which uses a chatbot which communicates and improves itself by the more you communicate, the more it communicate with search, it the more it improves by the feedback technology. And the next is Google AlphaGo, that plays the board game with the human. The more it plays with the human, the more well it plays. And Amazon Echo is same, like it's almost like Siri, and this also is connected to the third party environment, and also it controls the household environment, like tube light, fan and all. Yeah, that is it. So you can see that the robot which comprises the software of AI in it, and this is comprised of human technology, human thinking. There are so many AI movies which depicts about the artificial intelligence, like Terminator and etc etc, which shows us the negative side of AI. But in reality, we can set the perimeter in which AI can think logically. And next, we talk about recommender systems. Recommender systems which is used by both Amazon, Facebook, sorry, not both, many organizations like Instagram, Facebook, Amazon and all, because the the type of books you purchase, the type of shoes you purchase, it contains a tag or a label which helps the recommend system to suggest you more of its kind. And also in during Instagram post likes also, you observe that when you like a comedy meme, you get more of it, or else if you like a movie meme, or, you'll get a more of it. In the same way it happens in Facebook also. And now we are talking about relationship between artificial intelligence, machine learning and data science. Part 1. Even though these are different terms, they come under the same umbrella. uh, There's a transformation data in data science, and supervised learning features are present in supervised learning. That is, after segregating in in a particular way, we have features in supervised learning, and in data science we have the particular data. And after analytics, in data analytics, we keep the insights in the data science. And the supervised learning means, we have the labels of in the unpredicted things, and we need to separate it according to its label. And artificial intelligence is the application of it, like actions, and also which are based on human decisions and automated or sometimes automated decisions. And part B of relationship between artificial intelligence and machine learning. As you can see, artificial intelligence defines that engineering of making intelligent machines and programs, and machine learning enables machines to learn without being explicitly programmed. That means it learns by itself, and also this both allows machines to gain intelligence, thereby enabling artificial intelligence. And as we see a Venn diagram, uh, so we see a Venn diagram, the data science and machine learning, and the both hybrid contains the supervised learning. In unsupervised learning, we don't have the labels, and reinforcement learning, which you will learn in later classes. And in data science, we have data visualization and data preparation, and there are many other in data science. And data science is the use of statistical methods to find patterns in the data and predicts the future output. Statistical machine learning uses the same techniques as data science as well, and the data science includes techniques like statistical modeling, visualization, and pattern recognition, as we have discussed. And next, definition and features of machine learning. The capability of artificial intelligence systems to learn by extracting patterns from data, from the past data, and apply on the future data is known as machine learning. It uses the data to detect patterns in the dataset, in the past dataset, and adjust its program actions accordingly and perform it on the future datasets. And in general, the machine learning, the data is divided into 7 is to 3 or 8 is to 3, in which 7 is used for pa- pattern predicting, and the 3% is used as the output prediction. And so it is that means the 70% is used for training the system, the training the machine. It focuses on the development of computer programs that can teach themselves to grow and then when change when exposed to new data. As I said, yes, it enables computers to find hidden patterns using iterative algorithms without being explicitly programmed. That means we programming each and everything. It learns from itself. As you can see, the traditional program you code, the behavior of the program and the machine learning approaches are totally different. That means in traditional, you give the data and you explicitly write the program to the machine and it predicts the output. But in the machine learning approach, the data is given and the output is given of the past output is given, so that according to the past output, it gives the future output. This flowchart depicts the same about the traditional approach. Now the machine learning approach relies on learning patterns based on sample data, problem at hand, training data, example XYZ, XYZ. These are all called as parameters. And using these parameters, we train the ML model, and next we evaluate and pass to the production. If it passes, it passes to production. If it fails, it goes to the feedback and starting at the and it goes to start of the problem. Machine learning uses number of theories and techniques from data science. One is classification, categorization, clustering, trend analysis, uh, anomaly detection, visualization, decision making. In classification, you can see in this way, classification works in this way. classifying objects on their predictive qualitative ranges. And next we have categorization. This technique is to organize data into categories, into its columns, and for its most effective and efficient use. That means one similar objects are placed in at one side and the other similar objects are placed at other side, and this in this way it is clustered. And next we have trend analysis. This represents variations of low frequency in the time series. The high and medium frequency fluctuations are being out. Anonymally data point points out the odd data out. Solves in and this by indicating a presence of intended or unintended induces attacks, defects, false, or so on. That means the odd one out. Visualization is through the, as the name suggests, it shows that through the analytical presented visually, and data shown is in the form of pictures makes it easier to understand. Next, the decision making. This can that means you can influence the managerial decisions with data as evidence for those possibilities. There are many applications of machine learning. One are image processing, robotics, data mining, video games, and text analysis, and healthcare. And image processing converts a image into a digital formats and the vice versa. And next, uh, like in Google Photos, it recognizes and it recognizes the face and it gives the tag. That means who is this, and also it suggests you is this the person the same with the given photo over there. And also the self-driving cars, it detects the nearby objects and avoids accident. And there are many applications of image processing. Robotics are the machines that can be used to certain jobs which humans sometimes cannot be capable of doing using this machine learning. Next, applications of machine learning part B. Next is data mining. It is method of analyzing hidden patterns in the data which is done by the machine learning. And next, like patterns which can be the example of share markets. We don't know the pattern of which share market moves up and down. With the correct or the sophisticated machine learning system, we can predict the future of trading. Next, video games. Lot of video games like Pokemon Go, the recent sensation, was created on using machine learning. And next, the text analysis, an automated process of obtaining information from text, like spam filtering, sentimental analysis. That means sentimental analysis means according to your past behavior or past your work, it analysis it analysis done, and it recommends you the future. Next, healthcare. In healthcare also machine learning detects in like in corona recent time in some country, I guess, the using some AI software, it detects whether we have corona or not. And in the breast cancer detection, AI is playing an important role. I mean, machine learning is playing an important role. Sorry. Key takeaways: definition of artificial intelligence, definition of machine learning, and the relation between AI and data science. We have also discussed about machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. And we have discussed about different approaches and techniques and applications. Thank you. There's a one simple question for you, uh, which you can answer. Thank you.